Coverage on the case of a shooting death of a Nashville musician. Day 2 of a transfer hearing could lead up to 2 of the suspected teen killers being moved to adult court. News Channel 5's Blake Rosnowski is live at the Juvenile Justice Center where the suspects are held this morning. Blake, what's expected to happen in court today?
Well, Adam, today we're expecting to hear from the defense. They're going to try to make sure these kids stay in the Juvenile Justice Center. But on Friday, the prosecution, they laid out their case of why 2 of these teens should be moved to the adult court system. Now, on Friday, the prosecution revealed new information on the case surrounding the shooting death of Kyle Yorlets. It's been almost a year since his death. They played a recording from inside the police cruiser after officers caught 16-year-old Decorius Wright and 15-year-old Diamond Lewis. In the video, the prosecution says Wright admitted to shooting Yorlets in the arm. That's important because the ME report shows that Yorlets died after the bullet traveled through his left arm into his chest, hitting his lungs and heart. More testimony during the hearing included details on Wright's recent escape from the Juvenile Justice Center. You remember that from just a couple of months ago. Outside of the escape, both Wright and Lewis have been stirring up trouble while being held. We learned that both have been written up dozens of times because of their behavior. We know Lewis's attorney, Mitchie Gibson, plans to argue she didn't pull the trigger and she should be treated as a juvenile. Now, News Channel 5's Kyle Yorlets will be in the courtroom today. He's been following this since Friday. Now, no cameras allowed in that courtroom because it is part of the juvenile process. But of course, those updates will be on air and on newschannel5.com. Live at the Juvenile Justice Center, Blake Rosnowski, News Channel 5.